Hello guys and welcome back to $1,000,000 Tips. And in today's video, we're gonna talk about this brand new project, Roster. Okay, this is their website. After this video, you can go and check it by yourself, guys, and give it a try. And let's see what is this project about. So as we can see here is a BNB reward pool, which gives you up to 10% back daily. 10%, guys, is a lot and is daily, not per month or per year, daily. So let's see here how all this works. So basically, if you guys stake your BNB here, and every time you press on retoast, you're gonna get back 10% of the BNB that you just invest here. And this is insane, guys. And this is not all, because they also give you 30% back of for every referral that you get into their project. So every time someone is gonna get in this project through your link, you're gonna get 30% back of their rewards, which is insane. And they just launched it here, as you can see, guys. They launched yesterday, so it's a brand new project. And also, if you see here, the APR is 3,650%. It's insane. And let's go back and have a look here on their white paper, so can guys understand much better how this all works. So let's see here, what is the price of Turkey? Turkey do not have a set price, and now guys you will understand why. Because higher total value lock, more Turkey per BNB. Lower total value lock, less Turkey. So basically this means, guys, that the more BNB you're gonna stake on their pool, the more rewards you're gonna get back. The less BNB you're gonna stake on their pool, the less rewards you're gonna get back. So this is like how this whole thing works. So I hope you understand, you like follow my point, guys. And one thing I want to say, I'm not promoting them, I'm just trying to bring to your attention every day new project that are launching and then I think are good project, guys. So I'm not even a financial advice, so do your own research before investing in all this project. I'm just trying to show you guys what are like my thoughts about this new project that are coming up every day. And let's get back to us. So what will my daily percentage be? So like we said earlier, the daily percentage is up to 10%, and this depends on the eating habits, the time of the day you re-roast. So this is understandable. And if we scroll down here, like guys, I'm not gonna go through the whole their roadmap, because you can go and check it by yourself, because it's like there is a lot to read. But I just wanted to show you the main point of this project and what like they are like about. And if we check here their social media, this is their Twitter account. They have 3,000 followers. They are not a lot, but it's just because it's a brand new project. But I believe in the future they will have a lot of more people getting into this project, because having 10% back on your BNB that you just stake is like an insane amount. And here you can go, guys, and check their social media and everything, ask them questions. And you can also see here their Telegram, and they have 8,000 members, which is quite like our right community, and they are active every day. They texting, they asking things. So if you have any doubts or whatever you want, guys, just go and ask them. And there was a really quick video for me. Just if you can see here, also they are audited and KYC, so you can go check all their documents. They are like everything that they need to like be all right, let's say it like this. So that was the video for me, guys, and this is the project roster. Okay, I will leave a link down below for everything, and you can go and check it by yourself. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, just give it a like, and if you have any questions or whatever, just ask me down below and I will get back to you, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.